Well guys, we're back on the road. It rained earlier today quite a lot, but a Belgian family gave me shelter in their caravan for the rain, and they gave me some food and some coffee. It was really nice. Our goal for today will be Mise-en-Plage in Landais. Also, we will try to have a look at maybe the Dune de Pilat, but at the moment there are a lot of wildfires in the area, so I don't know how that will work out. And we're currently heading to some curvy roads right before Bordeaux, and then we're going straight to Bordeaux. So guys, it's getting hotter now. I'm getting closer to Bordeaux. I will drive around Bordeaux because there's supposed to be a lot of traffic, and then we're going into Landais. I'm slowly getting hungry, but I don't yet know where to eat. I have some walnuts in my rucksack. Oh, nice. This is what I'm here for. Whoa! Oh, with all the nice, beautiful sunflowers. This is just how I want it to be. Look at all the vineyards. Probably the Bordeaux wine is getting made here. Oh, the smell of those trees here is just amazing. This is pure bliss, like smelling the... I don't know how they're actually called. I know the German word, pinyon, but I don't know the English word for those trees. As you guys can see, we're really unlucky. The Dune de Pilat is closed by the police, and you can see the pompiers, the firefighters, coming out of there. So, and over there is a helicopter carrying water, probably from the ocean into the fire. I don't know, that over there, that's probably just clouds. So yeah, we're pretty out of luck today. Yesterday the chateau and today the dune. Quite a bummer. First the Nürburgring, then the chateau, and now the Dune de Pilat. I hope it becomes better on the rest of our trip. I will definitely come back to the Nürburgring, to at least to that on the way back. We're now going to Mise-en-Plage, where I will be spending the night and seeing my family, and also will stay for a few days just to edit my videos and have a little bit of me time and relax without the YouTube channel, basically, before the trip of course continues. I can also smell the smoke now, probably because the wind direction has turned. So guys, I'm getting closer to my final destination for the day. We're now about 13 minutes away. Oh, like literally my body is just in agony. I just set up onto the rear seat to have a little bit of more room for my legs so I can kind of ride this thing like it would be a chopper. Oh, that feels so good, having a little bit of less bend in the knees. Oh my god. Oh fuck, some curves are coming up. I mean, I like curves, but still. So... Ooh, this is a nice one. Oh, what a nice lake. I really like Mimizan as a place. I've been here before. It's like the little place where me and my parents always go on vacation for. And it's just really lovely. Like, the surf here is amazing. I can't wait to go surfing here. At some point in my life I want to live somewhere where the sea is close, so that I can actually go surfing. Still have 5 kilometers to go. So not far anymore. Well, you can already see the signs for the surf shops. So nice. The final road of the day. Over there is the Pilot Memorial, and behind that should be the sea. First time seeing the sea on this trip. Let's park this thing for a short moment. Well, we made it all the way to the sea.